Think your kitchen's already maxed out on cool gear? Think again. These insane Amazon kitchen gadgets are changing the game in 2025, one clever tool at a time. From genius time savers to budget-friendly multitaskers, every single item in this list is under 50 bucks. Whether you're chopping, storing, or serving, these picks will make your kitchen smarter without emptying your wallet. All the product links are down in the description. Let's jump right in. If pour-over coffee is your thing, the fellow Stag EKG electric pour-over kettle is the sleek high-performance upgrade you didn't know you needed. With precise temperature control, a gooseneck spout for ultra-accurate pouring, and a modern matte finish, this kettle turns morning brews into a ritual. It's ideal for coffee snobs, tea lovers, or anyone who appreciates a design that performs as good as it looks. Whether you're dialing in water temp for green tea or perfecting your pour-over bloom, this kettle nails it. Cooking rice perfectly every time is no longer a dream thanks to the Oster 6-cup rice cooker. It's compact, user-friendly, and cooks everything from jasmine rice to quinoa with a single button. Plus, it automatically switches to keep warm when your food's ready. Great for students, busy parents, or anyone tired of babysitting a boiling pot. Making dinner? Just toss in rice and water, walk away, and come back to fluffy perfection. Bonus: it includes a steam tray so you can cook veggies at the same time for a full meal in one go. No cords, no power, no hassle. The Xylus Easy's pull food processor gives you chopping, blending, and pureeing power with just a few tugs. The hand-powered pull system is surprisingly smooth and fast, making it great for salsa, pesto, or finely chopped veggies. It's perfect for campers, minimalists, or anyone who wants food processing power without dragging out a bulky machine. Need onions diced fast? Pull the cord a few times, and you're set. Bonus: all parts are dishwasher safe and nest together for compact storage. If you're all about smoothies, protein shakes, or meal replacements, the BlenderBottle Classic Loop Top is your go-to mixer on the move. With its patented wire whisk ball, this bottle blends powders to silky smooth perfection. No clumps, no blender needed. It's great for gym goers, busy professionals, or anyone blending up nutrition on the fly. Just add liquid, powder, shake, and boom, done. Breakfast just got easier with the Presto 3500 electric griddle, a non-stick powerhouse perfect for pancakes, bacon, eggs, or even grilled sandwiches. It heats evenly and gives you tons of space to cook for the whole family. Whether you're flipping flapjacks on Sunday morning or making grilled cheese for lunch, this griddle handles it with ease. It's ideal for families, brunch lovers, or anyone who needs extra cooking space. Bonus: the built-in grease tray makes cleanup a breeze, and the surface wipes clean in seconds. For quick breakfasts or single-serve meals, the Carote non-stick egg frying pan is a kitchen essential. This mini pan heats up fast and evenly, with a granite non-stick coating that lets eggs, pancakes, or even mini omelets slide right off. It's the perfect size for small kitchens, solo cooks, or anyone who loves an easy, mess-free meal. Imagine cracking one egg, flipping it perfectly, and sliding it straight onto your toast. No spatula drama. Bonus: it's PFOA-free and comes in cute colors to match your kitchen vibe. Meet the multifunction citrus juicer, your all-in-one solution for squeezing every last drop from lemons, limes, oranges, and more. Its ergonomic design and large capacity let you juice efficiently without sticky hands or messes. Perfect for health-conscious individuals, cocktail enthusiasts, or anyone who loves fresh juice on demand. Use it to add zing to salads, dressings, or morning drinks. Bonus: it also works as a strainer and storage container, so you can juice and save without extra dishes. Clear up your countertop and keep knives within easy reach with the magnetic knife holder. This sleek steel strip mounts to your wall and holds knives securely, protecting blades from dulling and freeing up drawer space. Ideal for professional chefs, small kitchens, or anyone who loves organized cooking spaces. Imagine grabbing your favorite chef's knife instantly while prepping dinner, no fumbling through drawers. Bonus, it's also great for holding metal utensils or scissors, adding extra convenience. Baking just got precise with the adjustable rolling pin, featuring removable rings that let you roll dough to your exact thickness every time. Whether you're making pie crusts, cookies, or pizza, this tool ensures consistency and perfect results. It's perfect for bakers, home chefs, or anyone who appreciates even baking. Roll out dough without guesswork, set the rings, roll, and voila. Bonus, the rings double as measuring tools, so you can customize thickness for every recipe. Keep your air fryer clean and cooking hassle-free with non-stick air fryer liners. These disposable, perforated liners prevent food from sticking and help reduce grease buildup, making cleanup lightning fast. Perfect for busy families, health-conscious cooks, or anyone who loves their air fryer but hates scrubbing it afterward. Just pop one in before cooking fries, veggies, or chicken wings, and toss it when you're done. Meet your new countertop hero, the rotating spice rack, that holds dozens of spice jars in one compact, easy-to-access spot. Spin it around to grab any seasoning without digging through cabinets. It's ideal for home chefs, spice lovers, or anyone who wants a tidy, organized kitchen. Imagine whipping up your favorite recipe with every spice at your fingertips. Bonus, it comes pre-filled with common spices, so you're ready to cook right out of the box. Ditch disposable plastic with the stainless steel straw set, a durable and eco-friendly alternative, perfect for sipping smoothies, cocktails, or everyday drinks. These reusable straws come with cleaning brushes and silicone tips for comfort and hygiene. Great for eco-warriors, families, or anyone aiming to reduce single-use plastic waste. Bonus, the set fits most cups and tumblers and is dishwasher safe. That wraps up our list of 50 genius kitchen gadgets under $50 to transform your cooking game in 2025. You'll find all the product links waiting for you in the description below. Go grab your favorites. If you like this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more clever kitchen finds. Thanks for watching Prep Home. Happy cooking!